So to make your nappy cake, you're going to have to roll your nappies into little cylinders, and to do that the nappy's got a front section and a back, and I like to have the nappies laying with the front facing me, and then I simply fold over from the top twice like that, and then fold up from the bottom and put it together, and you get a really nice fold. And if there's any cute pattern on the back of the nappy, then that will be visible when it's standing in your nappy cake. So just to show you once more, got the front of your nappy, just double over the messy end at the top, pull that down, roll towards like that, and pop over an elastic band. Okay, now you've got another, I don't know, 50 or 100 to go. Good luck.